Good evening, family. Good evening, family. Welcome back. We are back, y'all.
Yeah, we back.
Evening dinner. Evening dinner. Will not be another mukbang, but we are sharing what we have. I have not had Hooters wings in forever.
It's been a while.
And I had a taste for them, so I went and got me some Hooters wings hot. And you can't go without the curly fries.
Can't go without the curly fries.
For my Pookie,
Yo, Pookie.
there's a spot on Cajun Boil. Cajun Boil. She has the king snow crab, shrimp, green mussels, egg,
Scrimp.
the whole nine, y'all. The whole
And that
nine.
garlic butter sauce, Cajun doing their thing.
Garlic butter sauce. And she had to have them.
Gotta have Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry, I can't drink water.
And for me.
And for Pops.
And for me. Who can have Hooters wings without a cold?
You already started.
Yep. It's half gone before I already got it. So y'all.
So y'all be good. When y'all cross the street, look both ways. Don't go in your neighbor's mailbox. What else can I tell y'all not to do? And
Don't fry bacon naked.
Yeah, all of that. Because we got to get into this food. So guys, have a blessed night, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Good night, everybody.
Bye.
And I say good night, everybody.
Come on, baby. I'm going to meet you on the set. Come on.
Up. Gotta go.